Hey guys, I'm back. This is the kid who reads Level Steelers. I know it's a weird name, but this is an unusual video. Sorry if it's a bit different. It's because of allergies. I'm not actually sick. Alright, so we're gonna be unboxing my new Nest Mini 2nd generation. Alright, so let's open the box up. Just have to hold it like this. Yeah. So here's the. Oh, say hi, Whiskey. So here's the Nest Hub itself. I mean, not the Nest. The Nest Mini itself. Little pod. Yeah. Alright, let's open this package. So here's the AC plug, USB thing. I don't know what it's called. Here. Let's go on that bottom. It's like a little manual. It's taped in. There. Alright. What's under this AC? There. I gotta remove the cord. Sorry if I look so unorganized. Pro. Alright, so here's the USB, AC cord. It's like a 3.5mm jack. Head jack. No, I think that's just where it is. Alright, I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I might make a setup video later. Goodbye.